Hey boys and girls, today we're going to be playing I Am Cat. Hold on. I'm going to... Oh my gosh. That was just a sound effect. Anyways, guys, we're going to play I Am Cat. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's actually go. Oh, look, I'm a kitten. Hey, where are you, Granny? Where are you, bruh? Where are you? Where are you going? Guys, is Granny? Am I home alone? Granny, where are you? Don't mess with me. There she is. Hi, Granny. Granny, I'm right here. Granny. Who are you looking at, Granny? I'm looking at you. Hey, I knocked you down. Come and get me. Uh-oh, she has a pan. Hide. Nope. It's obvious. Guys, it's not good. She has good eyes. No, please. No. Granny, no, please. No. I'm gonna break this. Break. I broke it. No, Granny. No, Granny, please stop, please. No, Granny, don't hit me. Stop. Hey, Grandma. Is it fine if I take a nap, Granny? No. I said let me take a nap. You know what? I'm taking a nap. Good night, Grandma. Oh, no, you're not. You have to go to cat school tomorrow. No. Oh, you better go to school tomorrow. Nope. Guys, that's just a sound effect you're hearing, okay? I made it in an hour. Hi, Granny. Hi. Hi, Granny. We're not gonna knock her down again, because... Like and subscribe if you love I Am Cat. I want to throw this pan. Hey, get back here. Okay. She's gonna mop the floor. Granny, go mop it. Do your chores, Granny. Clean the floor and do your chores. It's just a joke. How did I get up here? I'm gonna break. I'm gonna do it again. Hey, what happened? Let's see what happens if I do this. It breaks. No. Oh no, I need to run, guys. She's gonna think it was the cat. Run. There's a cactus. Nothing. Guys, I made it up here. Look at it. No, I didn't make it. I know. Like and subscribe if you love your parents. If you don't, it means you hate your parents. If you love your parents, then that's very nice. Y'all should love your parents. That's very nice. If you do subscribe. But if you're not allowed to subscribe, if your parents don't let you, then don't subscribe, okay? But if you're allowed, then go ahead. It's okay. Like, hey. I want to throw it. Hey, look at this, Grandma, I found something. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and subscribe. Bye-bye.